Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We don't carry Bill Gates matter come today oh. Now wetin we carry come give una make we totori together. My people, information wey reach us be say Bill Gates, wey all of una know, say he get one kind long time side chick. E dey play away match since so hey, they say this man get side chick over the years for Microsoft to say he get one better side chick wey dey there over these years wey we no know. I think say this man he no go dey do all this kind thing o, but I no know say he follow for their away match thing. Man no talk plenty sha. So information wey reach us be say as people say better investigation don dey go down now, say they don dey investigate this matter. So say how they begin dey investigate am na since Bill come down, say he come down from the Microsoft blah 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 kiniko, as he step down from their board, na they begin dey do investigation about the matter wey dey on ground. So and they say this thing now, this information now, say the board, the company board of meeting, abi board of members, na know wetin they dey talk about well well. Say they come dey aware of this issue for 2019, and how they take find out now when one of their Microsoft kiniko, wetin they call am again, come write letter give them. They tell them say him and Bill they be get private affair. You know, sexual relationship. And I know say anything wey dey for private affair, you go dey very intimate. Something must to dey inside. No be just ordinary friends. So they do away match for a long time. Now wetin the person write for letter give them for meeting. So they say as she write the letter, for the letter she dey demand say make changes for her name for the job, and say make Bill change the kind relationship wey he get with the wife too. They demand say Bill and the wife they no go dey together again. Say make he leave the wife, make he divorce the wife. Now wetin he dey try tell us from the big English wey they speak. If na they use dictionary, they break the English down. From wetin he talk, he say make Bill divorce him wife, make he leave am, make that two no dey again. You know, say when all this kind thing go begin dey happen. Now when woman don dey over chop oga food well, if you don dey chop oga food well, he leave her in confidence go dey mature well for her to dey make some kind demands. She no wan just be side chick again. She wan come appear front. She won't take her position now. Say make Bill leave our Melinda wey we know. Hey, my people, you no go easy sha to come pursue person wey don be owner of everything. But I dey hope say this woman no go just give in to the thing like that to make she fight, because these people they don't come of age for us to dey hear this kind tori. Wetin Bill wan divorce give? If this time they marry the two of them join, make them not even divorce. So my people, they say as she begin they demand this thing, as Bill step down, now their board of meeting, the Microsoft will come decide say they go hire a very good wetin they call am again, a very good law firm, make e come investigate the matter well. As they talk to una now, this story wey dey on ground now, they as in on proper investigation. They say that they investigate the matter, make them know if really all these things where this lady they claim, if it really happened. They say thorough investigation they go on. No, if Bill too go leave him wife go, or they don't leave each other separate, that they give us small investigation so that they feed us with more tori. As they feed us with the tori, we too go they feed in with the tori too, my people. So now the tori where they on ground be this with Bill and him wife. Na the tori wey dey on. The side chick don tire to be side chick. She wan come take over and see her demand now. The demand too much e too much. Some ladies will get mind shout. The way we wan just pursue some kind owners of the house, the way we wan just pursue them, not minding if they don't suffer together or anything. If this man they take care of you well, find your own. No pursue another woman from where she dey. Why you wan pursue am? The man in question now, divorce no even fit them, because they don't come of age. Wetin they want divorce for? Wetin they want begin dey tell them children? If they divorce, who they find? Not say Bill go find another sweet young girl again, hammer for hand. but e no good. You know say as our Nollywood actress, as e take marry im own too, I no talk plenty sha, na so Bill too go still find another fresh young girl marry too. But my girls, I dey advise you now, if na dey do some kind things, make we dey get conscience too, make we dey get the fear of God in us, the way wey we go dey demand the kind demand wey we dey do. E no dey good make we dey scatter home. Side chicks dey but if una dey play in a match, make una dey play where dey get conscience. Make una tell me una take on this matter wey dey ground now, whether the side chick dey right with im demand wey she dey demand, because we hear say this their secret affair don dey on ground for plenty years now. Make una tell me whether this thing wey this girl wan do now, whether e good abi e no good. So my people, na the tori wey dey on ground be this wey I dey give una. So as e dey hot, as they dey cook the tori dey give us, na so I dey give una, make una dey digest am for una system. So make una no forget to dey subscribe, make una no forget to dey like, make una no forget to dey comment and dey share our video. My people, make una stay tuned for the next video.